Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Forid Drain Gel step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Forid is an organic cleaner that uses a bacterial formulation that breaks down grease and other organic materials. When you've got drain flies, phorid flies, or fruit flies harboring in your drains, use Forid to clean out the organic buildup and wash away their breeding sites. Forid is ready to use and requires no additional tools. This product comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. Tip the bottle over to fill the reservoir, then tip the bottle back and use the slanted lines to measure until you have the required amount. We also recommend wearing gloves as you use this product. To use Forid, first identify which drains have fly activity. If you're unable to, then you'll need to treat all the drains in the house. For drains that aren't frequently used, you'll need to let 1 to 2 gallons of warm water flow through the drain before application. Apply Forid at a rate of 4 fluid ounces per drain. Pour Forid evenly around the lip of the drain so it coats and runs down the sides. Repeat this process daily for 5 to 7 days. Apply Forid at a time when the drains are not in use for an extended period of time, like at the end of the day or overnight. After application, Forid begins to break down the organic buildup inside the drain and will rinse away once the drain is used. Forid doesn't kill flies, instead it breaks down and removes their breeding grounds and food supply. Once the flies have nowhere to live or breed, they'll leave the area. Forid can be used in residential and commercial kitchens, restrooms, and other areas where drains are present. It can be used in floor drains and bathtub drains found in homes, restaurants, hotels, gyms, and any place where drain flies are a nuisance. Use Forid Drain Gel Cleaner when you've noticed drain fly activity. Most activity is observed after the temperature warms for spring and until it cools for winter. Forid can also be used to keep drains clean before infestation can occur. It's safe to use Forid as needed, but it's recommended to apply this product once every 1 to 2 weeks after the initial treatment. Forid Drain Gel Cleaner is safe to use around humans and pets since it is non-toxic and it won't harm your plumbing or garbage disposal. Just be sure to use gloves before application. Remember, if you can't determine which drains are infested with flies, then it's best to cover all bases and treat every drain in the house. Depending on how far the flies are inhabiting, it may take several applications until you completely get rid of all the drain flies. If necessary, Forid is also labeled to be used in non-drain areas and in foaming applications. Forid Drain Gel Cleaner breaks down grease and organic buildup, ensuring drain flies will have nowhere to breed. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Use Forid alongside an insect growth regulator, a bait, and an insecticide aerosol for complete control.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.